I recently evaluated a home in northwest Oklahoma City that was experiencing noticeable movement. The homeowner, an extremely kind man, was concerned with two different areas. During the evaluation, I explained that a garage wall needed to be stabilized to prevent further movement. But at that second area, even though movement was present, I told him I didn't feel foundation repair was needed at that time. He told me afterwards how much he appreciated that honesty, and he decided to move forward with us. When the work was complete, despite some weather changes and some obstacles, we delivered exactly what we promised. The homeowner told us, if all companies performed at the level you do, it would change the world. Caring, honesty, follow-through, and professionalism were displayed the whole project. He also said something that really stuck with me. I was treated like a VIP the whole time. That's what the corrective stage is all about. Even when repairs feel significant, addressing them now prevents bigger problems later. And when you work with the right team, the process can be professional, honest, and even reassuring. Our goal isn't just to stabilize homes, it's to give homeowners lasting peace of mind